Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to delete applications on Windows 10, step by step, so you can free up space and keep your PC running smoothly. Step 1. Make sure to close the app you want to uninstall if it's currently running. This is important because some programs cannot be removed while they are open, and closing them prevents any errors during the process. Step 2. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel in the search bar, then click to open it. The Control Panel is where you can manage many settings and programs on your Windows 10 PC. Step 3. Click on Programs and then select Uninstall a program. This will take you to the list of all installed applications on your computer, making it easy to find the one you want to remove. Step 4. Scroll through the list and locate the app you want to uninstall. You can also use the search box to quickly find the program if you have many apps installed. Step 5. Either right-click on the app or select it and then click Uninstall. This tells Windows you want to remove the program from your PC. Step 6. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation process. Each app may have slightly different instructions, so just proceed as directed until the program is fully removed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.